In today's video, grocery haul, y'all. Cleaning, laundry, lots of motivation in this video. Alright, there's groceries there, and here's the meats.
The next day.
Hi y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to Texas Decor and more. Well, today is Saturday, and I'm finally going to produce for y'all a cleaning video. It's much needed, especially in my bedroom. I'm focusing mostly on my bedroom today. If you can see, need to make the bed. Need to do that. And I'm going to turn y'all around and I'm going to show y'all. I have quite a bit of laundry that needs to be done. And surprisingly, I'm going to show you all this laundry, but I have a load already in the dryer and I have a load that's in the washer. And this is just what's left. So I'm going to turn y'all around and I'm going to show y'all everything that I've got to do today. As far as just laundry wise. Not house cleaning wise. Just laundry. I don't know how it gets like this. So what you see here. This is the dirty sheets that I took off the bed a couple of days ago. Those are dirty sheets. This is just my side. This is my clothes. These are shoes that I have all over the floor that need to be put away. My laundry, like I said, sheets. And then this is like mostly like towels and things. So if I scale you back a little bit. So yeah, 3 loads there. 1 load in the dryer, 1 load in the washer as we speak. Definitely need to make the bed. I feel like once I make the bed, you know, the room will already start coming together a little bit better. And these here, these are clothes. These are clean that I never put up yet. So I've got that going on. And then over here, so like I've already separated the piles. And then over here, these are my husband's clothes, blue jeans. These are all whites. I'm about to take these into the garage. So, yeah, that's probably six loads of laundry I have to do today. But I guess the easiest thing to do would be to just start with the bed. Let's just get this bed made. So as you can see, we're now in the garage. So I have moved the clothes that I had on the floor into the garage. There's still some in the washer. I've taken 1 load out of the dryer and I've already folded it, but I didn't film it. So I've still got things in the dryer, things in the washer, and things that need to be washed. But I moved this out of the bedroom into the garage in front of the washing machine to get those ready. And then I have this trash. This is the trash that I took out of my bathroom, and we have a trash can outside, so I'm just gonna empty that out. There you go. So that's done, but still working on the laundry. Now we're gonna go make the bed.